So real quick before we get started, since it's going to be a sort of lengthy video, be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy anything about hair, as well as leave a positive comment down below to possibly be shouted out in my next video. The positive comment for this video will be mentioned at the end, so stay tuned for that to see if your comment won. Anyway, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Don't subscribe until you feel you want to. If that's the case, go ahead and hit the notification bell also if you want to. But anyway, let's just go ahead and dive right into this. So I actually cut my hair back in December, around that time, maybe January, early January, because I decided that I just wanted to change. Once I cut it, I did remember that I have always been wanting to make a video using mane and tail, so I decided that it would be the perfect opportunity. Sorry if I'm talking super fast, my camera is actually about to die as soon as I started filming this, but anyway, I picked up mane and tail at my local Target, so I decided to get the mane and tail herbal grow only because it was the cheapest. It was on clearance for, I want to say, like $4, and they also didn't have the regular one at my Target. But the reason why I did decide to go with this instead of just waiting is because my hair is naturally very, very thick, and this one doesn't really emphasize on thickening your hair, it just says strengthening and nourishing. And since it's olive oil, I figured it'd be very moisturizing for my hair since I do have a very terrible dry scalp, which I'm pretty sure if you've been around for long enough, you've seen videos in which I've had dandruff and it's just kind of disgusting. Anyway, I've been using this shampoo for about 8 weeks now, or since I stopped doing the updates. I had used it for 8 weeks. I still use it as my normal shampoo because I love how soft it makes my hair. When I got my hair cut, I did decide to get it cut to collarbone level, which is about like right here for me. I got it a little longer, so it was about right here, and this is where my hair is at now. So I'm not going to say that this is all thanks to mane and tail, even though I really think it is, because my hair grows fairly slow. Like my nails and everything else grows super fast, but I've noticed that my hair doesn't really grow that fast, especially because I do also bleach it a lot. Now I never touch the roots, it's still kind of damaged and whatnot, but I also want to mention that when I got my hair blonde, I did actually get a trim, obviously, because it kind of like kills your ends. So I got a trim, so in reality it was actually probably longer than this. Keep in mind I got it cut at collarbone level. So this is the amount of hair growth I've had since it was cut. I do real quick want to mention that as I was using the shampoo, not once did I ever use heat. So when I did stop filming is because I knew after that last update I would start using heat because I got my hair done. 2, I got my hair done, so I can't completely use the same like hair products that I would since my hair is now blonde. Not everything is like blonde safe. So with that being said, I didn't use any heat. I never used additional products in my hair. I would only use dry shampoo, so I guess additional products, but I wouldn't use like smoothing serums or anything. And yeah, I would always just braid my hair, go to sleep, let it air dry, shower. I do want to also mention that I would go at first about 2 days in between washes, then I actually extended it to about 3 or 4. It kind of just depended because this did a lot of good things for my hair. Although it didn't fix my dandruff, it made it very soft. Even though my hair is color treated, I've used this, I want to say once since I got it dyed, because it wasn't that long ago, but I did wash it once with this. Another time was with Pantene or Garnier Fructis, just because I was at my dad's house and I didn't have this with me. So that's why I really like this specific one. Now I did only use shampoo, I did not use conditioner. It lathers very easily. I do really like it. It smells very good. So I do recommend this specific one if you're not looking for thickening, since if you thicken your hair too much and like it's already thick, it can break a lot easier, which is something that people don't really tell you. But anyway, that's kind of my review / first impression on this. Do I recommend it? Yes. Do I think I personally saw results? Yes. So now, since I did do weekly updates for the entire 8 weeks that I use this product, I'm going to go ahead and roll those clips now. Just go ahead and keep on watching if you want to see the progress from day 1 to day whatever, whenever I stopped. And today is January 12th, which is a Saturday. No, it's Sunday. Sunday, January 13th. Okay, it's Sunday, January 13th. Wow, I feel stupid now. Today marks the beginning of my mane and tail journey. As you all know, I did cut my hair. I do not regret it one bit. However, I do want to start trying mane and tail shampoo. I want to test it just for its growth ability, which it's not really growth, it just prevents your hair from breaking, which means you see the growth your hair has because half of it doesn't break off. So right now, this is where we're at. I wanted to get a shirt and kind of just mark it like from my start point and then to my end point, but I don't know if I want to do that. I'll probably do it, but like off camera. I don't know yet. So as for today, I'm gonna wash my hair tonight using the shampoo. I'll update you guys only tonight just to kind of get a first impressions. Hey guys, so I just got done using the product for the first time. It's like 7:12 in the evening or at night. I don't know what it's considered. But I do not brush my hair after I shower, so that's why it looks like this. First impressions, it smells really, really good. It lathers easily, but I'm someone who just really wants to make sure that no matter what shampoo I'm using, all of my hair is covered. So I did re-pour like a couple of times, but it was like little drops here and there. It smells really good, lathers really smoothly, it cleans really nicely, or so it feels like it. Like, there's some shampoos that I use where when I wash it off, it doesn't feel squeaky clean, it just kind of feels normal. But this one kind of felt squeaky clean, not too much though, where it was like completely dry. I think it's important to note also that I'm not using a matching conditioner. Like, I just use whatever conditioner is in my shower. Right now I used a Pantene one, so this is it right now. My hair, I'm pretty sure, was cut crooked, so don't take that too far into consideration, but this is my hair length right now. It's early in the morning. It is Sunday, January 20th, and so it's been exactly 1 week, and this is where we are with growth. My hair, well, not necessarily growth, I don't know, but my hair is split down the middle somewhat. That way it's like what it was when I showed you guys my hair the first time around. It's also natural, I didn't do anything to it, and this is where it's at. You can clearly see that my hair is cut uneven, but you know, it's fine. So this is what it looks like from the front. Let me untuck it from my ears. So this is the front, and I'll just go ahead and show you all the back just so you can see it. I don't know if it's going to be in frame, but don't laugh that my hair is cut crooked. I already know. So this is where my hair length is at. Of course, it's kind of like uneven because we all know my hair is cut unevenly, but this is what it looks like when you pull it. And I could have sworn when I got my hair cut it was probably about like right there. So this is as much progress as I feel that I've seen. Maybe I'm lying to myself and my hair was like this length when I got it cut, but I know it was just under my collarbone, and my collarbone was right here. We'll see. So I'm going to show you guys at the back real quick. So this is the back. Hey guys, so this is a different like area of my room, I know, but it has officially been 4 weeks. Yeah, 4 weeks. So a month that I have been using this shampoo. So in the month of February, I have only washed my hair twice with this product, and that's because I'm gonna wash my hair today, like after this clip. It's just I don't want to have to wait a while for my hair to dry before I can come and show you. Anyway, so this is my hair length after 1 month of using the product. I'm gonna turn around right now and show you guys the back. Everything should be straight considering the fact that my hair is like really heavy and gross. So hopefully you can see that. I'm pretty sure you can see that. So this is after 1 month of using the product. I want to say obviously I'm not even like halfway through the bottle. Anyway, as far as progress, my hair has become super soft, and I'm pretty sure it's probably because the type that I bought, not so much like just the shampoo itself. Okay, so I didn't do my hair update yesterday, but it's Monday, so it's literally the same thing. So my hair is semi-parted down the middle, and this is where we are in length. It is a little curled towards the end only because I had it in a bun, so sorry if that kind of like throws it off. But this is where my hair is at least from the front. Then from the back, this is what it looks like. We are almost done with February, and now we're gonna be on to March, and I think I'm gonna end this video in like April because I have May, or prom in May, which I think I mentioned in the last update. Okay, so today is February 24th. It is a Sunday. I just got out of the shower, and so I figured I would just go ahead and do my update for you all right now while my hair is still drying and it's kind of like heavy and weighed down. So this is the length that we're at. We're almost to 2 months of using the product, I think. I'd have to go back and count that, but this is where we are. I'm pretty convinced that when I cut it, my hair was about right here. And so if I'm not lying to myself or to you guys, then that's how much growth we have had. Okay, so today is Sunday, March 3rd, and this is my little update for today, because I have to go take a shower. My hair is like disgusting if you couldn't like see that. My hair is parted down the middle,
as I always do these updates, and this is where my hair is at. So I think I've only... Sorry, I just woke up. That's why my voice is so groggy.
Alright, welcome back. So I hope you enjoyed watching that progress, and if you really think you want to try it, I definitely recommend. Once again, I really think, I don't know, I really see improvements, and this is kind of what the back looks like today. Once again, since that last clip, I have maybe used the shampoo once. I want to say I used it multiple other times. I just forgot to update after a while. Hey guys, what's up? So we're going to be taking a quick pause from the video to announce today's video shout out. So today's video shout out goes to Savannah Ray, and she says, I love your new hair. So thank you so much. If you watch my vlogs, you'll know that I kind of cried for a little bit because I didn't really like it. But anyway, this is a hair video that's not about being blonde. It's about growing my hair. So thank you all so much. I love you guys all. If you want to win a positive comment shout out, just make sure to go ahead and comment a positive thing down below, and then maybe your comment will be picked. So anyway, now we'll resume back into the video. I don't know, but even at that, it's just, that was 8 weeks of progress, and if it did that in just 2 months, just imagine what it can do in 4. Once again, I'm still going to continue to use this because I do want my hair to grow out a little bit more before prom, which is May 4th. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a positive comment down below. And yeah, so I love you guys all. Subscribe, and I will see you guys later.